Hi, here's a video tour of 8562 Barrow Furnace Lane in Lorton, Virginia in Lorton Valley. This is a breathtaking home, as you can see from the entrance here. This was the former model home when it was built in 2006 by NV Homes, which is a luxury builder here in Northern Virginia. The home features amazing hardwood floors on the main level. We have a separate dining room. Over here we have what can be used as a sitting room or an office. Also on this level we feature the two-car garage, which is pretty spacious. We also have a half bath. This home has a lot of closet storage on all three levels. Also here we have a gourmet kitchen. Again, the hardwoods carry into the kitchen. We have gas cooktop, microwave, breathtaking cherry cabinets, granite countertops, separate kitchen area, dishwasher, double ovens, and a very sizable pantry. We also feature a eat-in kitchen area here. The living room, also very spacious. It has some very nice accents with the chair railing across the bottom. We also have the deck. Now, as we progress through the house, our next stop is going to be down to the basement. The basement features upgraded carpeting and padding. Lots of mirrors down here. Now, over here in the basement, we have some more features with the amazing storage space. We also feature plenty of space down here in the finished basement. It's currently decorated for a lot of kids stuff over here. But also on the property, we have a very spacious rec room down here. There's a pretty big couch I got situated in here. And this lower level also features even more storage. Over here, there's the HVAC system. And then we also have more storage over here. And on this level we do feature a full bath. As we progress through the rest of the home, we're going to take a look upstairs. This carpet here is in excellent shape. As we go upstairs, the home features 4 bedrooms with 3 full baths, and one of the bathrooms is a Jack and Jill style. As we go upstairs, you can see the built-in design in the carpet. We also have one of the smaller bedrooms, which is pretty darn big. This bedroom features a very sizable closet. This bedroom has a Jack and Jill bathroom with the dual vanities, separate room for shower and toilet. This bedroom here, again, very nice size and a decent size closet. More linen storage. Over here on this level, we do have the next bedroom. This one also has a full bath. And we move into the master suite. The master suite is exceptional on this property. First off, we have a very large master closet. With plenty of storage. You see, again, the wonderful tray ceiling here in a master. And we have the master suite. Here's the master suite with dual vanities, soaking tub, separate shower, of course separate room for the bathroom. This completes the tour of 8562 Barrow Furnace Lane, Lorton, Virginia, located in the Lorton Valley. Thanks a lot, and have a wonderful day.